actually look good. So we are back home from PQ. I started the video with the Beamer, getting the oil change. But as you guys can tell by the title of the video, I got GT3 door straps for the Supra. And I think they look so sick. And let me just show y'all real quick. So I opened up the box already, but let me show y'all. Boom, bro. These are the straps. I think they look so sick, bro. They almost look like OEM, bro, and it's so sick. Can't wait to install these, bro. These are about to be so sick right now. We about to do that, install real quick. I seen Vin Tran do it. That's another YouTuber with the Supra. He made it look real easy, so I'm pretty sure this process is gonna be easy. I'm gonna just be following his steps, so we'll just get straight to it and not waste any time. Oh, and if you're wondering where I bought those from 777. Like if anybody is also interested in those, I got them on 777.com. They had them for the Supra, so I think that's dope. They got hella different colors to color match your Supra, and I went with the blue. It wasn't the best color matching blue. It's a little darker. It's more like the BMW blue, but it's all good. Still looks dope. All right, so in the video I saw that you're supposed to take out, or you're supposed to move this around. There's a little white clip in there, that one right there. You're supposed to line it up straight so it like gets out of the lock position, and then that should come off. And then we gotta take out this tray, get the bolt in there, take out the tray back here and get that bolt out, and it should pop right off. So you need a flathead to remove the little pieces right here on the door card, so it should pop right off. Oh damn, I don't want to break it. Oh my god, that shit scared me. Let's try this one first. This one was easier. We got this one out. Behind the door handle. Got it. Okay, cool. Finally got it. And then there's gonna be I need some L wrenches and some Allen wrenches to get those bolts out. I have to take out this last bolt. And there you go, finally, damn. Voila. That one's out. Alright, I think this should just come right off. I already lined it up. I hope. Oh damn, I almost broke that one. Oh. Then you remove the harnesses over here, just some clips. You remove them. There you go. I'm like, damn. Whew. Sweating a little bit. Alright, and you're gonna need like a 10 mil drill bit just to drill these little plastic things out so this little piece comes out. And then yeah, you can swap them in. And then it comes with new hardware, so we need to thread this one, this one, this one, and this one. And it should be good. Let's do these. So we're gonna remove these anyways. Like that. Remove this one. Drill out those holes so it comes right off. That one should be fine, I hope. I think the battery's dead. No, did it just break in there? No way. So the drill bit's in there and I'm trying to get it out right now, but it is a hassle, so I'm like really trying. I got my dad helping me right now because it's stuck in there. Alright, so my dad got the drill bit out and we already drilled the holes and got it out. So yeah, the lock button thing just literally has some clips that clip onto here and it just comes right off. So yeah, now let's get the door strap, transfer this on and put it back on, and then we'll go do the same thing on the left side. We got it. Look at this, bro. Look how clean that looks, dude, bro. Look at that. And then to test it out real quick, here, let's get inside, close the door, pull the strap real quick. Close the door. All right, cool. And ooh. One more time, one more time. Oh, bro, that's so cool. Nice. Look at the strap, bro. It feels like great quality. It's so sick. Looks OEM, bro. Like it should be with the Supra. That's so sick. Just a little touch up into the interior. That's so fire. Now we gotta do that side real quick. We got the before and we got the after. So dope. I love that. So we finally have the door straps in on both sides and they are looking so good, bro. I think they look so good. It just gives it that nice little race car feeling when you open and pull the door, you feel me? That's so cool, bro. If you guys want some, 777.com has them, bro, for sale right now, so don't sleep on it. I did mess up on this side. I didn't film it, but the buttons were backwards and I fucked it up, so I had to retake this off and put it back on. But it's all good now. We're both good. Got everything solid. Everything's solid, so we're chilling now. Let me know what you guys think of the door handles. Do you guys like them? Do you guys not? Let me know what you guys think. I know it's a little corny because it's not a real GT3 RS, but you feel me? It's for right now, you know, my little budget GT3 RS thing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Is it a waste of money? Is it worth it? Is it not? I think it's worth it. I fuck with it. Is it that nice little raw feeling? You feel me? It's real easy to pull. It feels good. The strap feels real good too, so it's not bad at all, and it's just, you know, something to touch up your interior. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button for your boy, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new and be part of the Inzane family. Stay tuned, don't miss out on the bangers. But this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.